part of the Earth needs us today.
This is highly unusual, but today there isn't a mission. I called you because you received an invitation.
It's your lucky day, Rangers, because I, Patty Preston, am inviting you to a spooky costume party at our beach house tonight.
Why us?
Wondering why you? Because you inspired me. I want to make this party eco-friendly, so who else would I ask? See you soon.
Sounds splendiferous. Can we go?
Some party supplies can hurt the Earth, so helping Patty will help the environment. You should go, and I know just who to send.
This is so exciting! If we're setting up a spooky costume party, we need costumes. Yes!
Floof!
Yay! Perfect!
Almost perfect. You still need a costume. And since the best costumes for the Earth are things you reuse... You're a Rainbow Ranger!
Patty Cakes, where did you go? Rangers? You escaped! But where's Patty? Did the spider get her? Blast you, spider!
I'm right here, Daddy.
No! They turned you into a ranger! How dare you!
It's a costume, Preston.
Exactly. Patty wanted an eco-friendly spooky costume party, and we made it for her.
You mean we're having a real party after all?
Yes, Daddy. And the Rangers are our guests.
But this won't do it all. I simply refuse to be the only one not wearing a costume. Now it's a spooky costume party.
That is spooky. You look just like Aunt Priscilla.
Really? I don't see the resemblance. Now, who's ready to party?